Now let's see NumPy. NumPy or numerical Python is a package or library in Python used for scientific computing, and it supports to operate on multi-dimensional arrays and matrices with mathematical functions. So it can be used for various math operations. NumPy is very commonly used package in Python or machine learning applications. Now first see creating arrays. Arrays can be created using array function. So first import NumPy package, then call array function using NumPy, and inside the parenthesis of array function it will have elements of the array in square brackets and assign its value in a variable a. So when we'll print a, it will give the output the elements of the array. And we can also use alias for NumPy. So import NumPy as NP. NP is the alias for NumPy. Now we can call array function using NP in place of NumPy and assign its value in a. So when we will print a, it will give the values, elements of array. Now see indexing of an array. Indexing in Python starts from 0. So now let's understand it through a program. First import NumPy as NP and call array function using NP. So in this array the value 3 is at 0th index, value 5 is at first index, value 2 is at second index, value 1 is at third index, and so on. Therefore, when we will print a of 0, then it will give the value 3, the value at index number 0. In same way, when we will print a of 1, it will give the output 5, the value at index number 1. In same way, we can print the value at index number 2 and index number 3 and so on. Now we'll see slicing in an array. Slicing is taking elements from one index to another index. For example, a of 1:4. That means the values will start from index number 1 and will go up to index number 3. And remember, it will not return value at index number 4. It will go up to 4 minus 1, that is 3. Now let's understand it through a program. So first import NumPy as NP, then call array function using NP and assign it in variable a. So when we will print a of 1 to 4, it will return values at index number 1, that is 5, and index number 2, that is 2, and index number 3, that is 1. Therefore, it will give the output 5, 2 and 1, means values at index number 1, 2 and 3. In same way, if we print a of 0 to 4, then it will return values at index number 0, 1, 2 and 3. Therefore, output will be 3, 5, 2 and 1. Now we'll try all these programs on Google Colab editor. and this is the Google Column editor. So first rename this file as NumPy. Now take a text cell to make a heading, that will be NumPy. Click here, then double click this. Then take a code cell, click here and start writing program here. First we'll create an array, and for this we have to import NumPy as np. Then call array function, and inside the parentheses in brackets take some values, suppose 1 to 6, and assign these values in a variable a. So when we'll print this a and run this, we'll get the elements of array. And remember, this array function should be called using np. Now we'll see indexing of an array. So take a new code cell, first import NumPy as np, then call array function using np and take some elements in square brackets, for example 3, 4, 7, 2, 1, 9 and 8, and assign this in a variable a. So when we will print a of 0, so it will give the value at index number 0. Let's run this. So we got the value at index number 0, this one. In same way, we can print other elements, that is a of 1, print a of 2, then print a of 3, and so on. Let's run this, and we got the output at index number 1, 2 and 3 also. Now we'll see slicing of an array. So first scroll it down a little bit, then take a code cell and create the same array. So I'm just going to copy and paste this one. Then print a of 0 to 4. So it will print values at 0th index and first index, second index and then third index. Let's run this, and we got values 3, 4, 7 and 2. We can also take another range, suppose take a of 1 to 4, and this will give values at index number 1, 2 and 3. Let's run this, and we got values 4, 7 and 2, this 4, 7 and 2. And we can also take another range, suppose a of 2 to 5. So it will return value at index number 2, 3 and 4. Let's run this, and we got a result at index number 2, 3 and 4. And that's it. We'll discuss some other modules also in next lecture.